Okay, and we're back here. The score is now 2-2 between Lionel Green and Nick Frank here in the second period at the Top Dog Challenge. Again, how you win at this tournament is whoever has the most poker chips at the end of the day is the champ of the whole tournament. You get one chip for each match you win, you lose a chip for each match you lose. You can challenge anyone within 10% of your body weight to a match. Right now we're tied 2-2 between two of the guys at the lead of the tournament, two lightweights here, Nick Frank from Urbana and Lionel Green Jr. from Duval. Frank takes bottom to start the third. It's 2-2. I'm sorry, it's 3-2. 3-2. Frank is up, and he's taking bottom. Green throws in the boots. He's only got 1 minute to work here. It's a 2-1-1 period. Oh, he went cradle! Nothing. What's the call there, ref? Call says no change. No change, says the ref. 3-2 still.
Typical of the shops are really talking to him. He's trying to get in there, trying to get on that show.
He's gonna punch.
He can punch it as long as the wall doesn't move.
Frank gets out. That makes it 4-2. Green needs a takedown to tie it. How much time? 20 seconds left. 4-2. How much time? 10 seconds left. 10 seconds left. And Frank gets the win, 4-2.